Are you ignoring the silent cries for help from your body? Those small symptoms you brush off might be early signs of something much more serious. Today, we're revealing 3 critical warning signs that your body is crying out for more nutrients. If you don't catch these signs early, they could turn into major health problems. Your body is smart. It sends signals when it's missing essential nutrients. However, these signs can often be mistaken for minor annoyances. In this video, we'll cover 3 key warning signs that indicate you're lacking vital nutrients. By the end, you'll know what to look out for and the specific foods to include in your diet to address these deficiencies. The first warning sign is persistent fatigue. We're not just talking about feeling tired after a long day. This is that unshakable exhaustion even after a full night's sleep. A common culprit? A deficiency in vitamin B12. B12 is crucial for energy production, red blood cell formation, and proper neurological function. For an immediate boost, incorporate foods rich in B12 into your meals. The most effective sources are animal foods. Beef liver is a powerhouse of B12. Just one serving can provide more than 1,000% of your daily needs. If liver isn't your thing, opt for foods like eggs, sardines, salmon, and grass-fed beef. These foods will help replenish your B12 stores naturally, supporting energy levels and overall vitality. Let's talk about those strange cravings. If you're constantly craving salty snacks, sweets, or even ice, this might be your body signaling a nutrient deficiency. For example, intense cravings for chocolate often point to a magnesium deficiency. Likewise, a strong urge for salty foods could indicate an imbalance in electrolytes such as sodium or potassium. Satisfy these cravings by incorporating nutrient-rich, natural foods into your diet. For magnesium, go for dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa, avocados, and fatty fish like mackerel. To balance electrolytes, prioritize foods like full-fat dairy, think whole milk yogurt and cheese, and bone broth. These animal-based foods are not only delicious, but also packed with the nutrients your body is craving. Finally, if your skin, hair, or nails have become dry, brittle, or dull, it could be a sign of a deficiency in vitamins like A, D, and E, as well as essential fatty acids. These nutrients are vital for maintaining healthy skin and hair cells, and they're found in abundance in certain animal-based foods. To nourish your skin and hair, include more fatty fish, like salmon and mackerel, egg yolks, and organ meats in your diet. These foods provide high-quality vitamins and omega-3 fatty acids that help rejuvenate your skin and strengthen hair. For vitamin A in particular, beef liver is one of the richest sources available. Don't forget to add fruits like avocados, which offer natural fats and vitamins essential for skin health. So there you have it. 3 warning signs that your body might need more nutrients: constant fatigue, unusual cravings, and changes in your skin, hair, or nails. These signals are not just minor annoyances. They're crucial indicators of nutrient deficiencies that could lead to bigger problems if left unchecked. By incorporating nutrient-rich, primarily animal-based foods into your diet, you can take charge of your health and address these deficiencies head-on. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might need this information. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on how to optimize your health through diet. See you in the next video.